Concept of heat and work. These terms you should know in order to derive an equation for the first law of thermodynamics. Let us see what are the signs, what is the meaning, and what are the units to be used. Heat, the form of energy exchanged between a system and the surroundings when the two are at different temperatures is commonly known as heat. The form of energy exchanged between a system and the surrounding. We know what is meant by a system, we know what is meant by surrounding. When the two are at different temperature, it's commonly known as heat. When the temperature of the system is higher, that means if the system what you are considering is in higher, the heat will flow from the system to the surroundings. And if the system is at low temperature, from the surrounding, the heat will flow from the surrounding to the system. When the temperature of the system is higher than that of the surrounding, the heat flows from the system to the surrounding. This causes a fall in the temperature. From the higher to the surrounding, if it goes, a fall in temperature is observed. The flow of heat continues till the system and the surroundings attain a same temperature. The flow of heat occurs when both are equal, that is, surrounding and the system is equal. In case of the system is at a lower temperature, second case, the heat flows from the surroundings to the system till the two attain the same temperature. These are the basic factors in order to understand the derivation of the first law. The amount of heat gained or lost by the system is represented by the letter Q. Q is the letter used for the representation of heat. Sign convention for heat. According to the international convention, that is Q, is regarded as positive. This portion is very important. Regarded as positive when the heat is absorbed by the system. That means to a system, when a heat is applied, the heat is absorbed by the system. Therefore, Q is positive, that is plus Q. And is negative when the heat is lost by the system. That means from the system, if heat is given out, it is negative. Heat absorbed by the system is Q is positive. Heat is lost by the system, Q is negative. Units of heat. Heat changes are generally measured in calories, kilocalories, joules, kilojoules. The SI unit of heat is joules or kilojoules. Next term is work. The term work usually refers to a mechanical work which is said to have been done if the point of application of a force is displaced in the direction of the force. The work is defined as follows. Work is equal to the applied force into the displacement of the point of application. If F is the magnitude of the applied force and dl is the displacement of the point of application in the direction of the force, then work done W is given by W is equal to F into dl. That is how work is defined. Now, sign convention of work. According to the international conventions, W is regarded as positive when the work is done on the system. That means if work is done on the system, W is positive. If the work is done by the system, the sign is negative. That means according to the international convention, W is regarded as positive when the work is done on the system and is regarded as negative when the work is done by the system. Thus, these 2 points are important. Work done on the system, W is positive. work done by the system. W is negative. Units of work. The work is usually measured in ergs, joules or kilojoules. The SI unit of work is joule.